Welcome, Psychotic Society. How are you? This is the official Week 2 PSN gift card contest. Unlike Week 1, where we had quite a few issues, understand that nothing in life is perfect. I have not been running contests for many years. This is only something I've started doing fairly recently, so just bear with me. Be patient. Things will get better. Moving forward, Week 2, I think, should be seamless, and I believe should be clear as day. This is a very interesting contest. If you need to watch this video multiple times, please do. Oh, by the way, I found out why some of you probably don't see clickable links in the upper right corner of the YouTube banner. Turns out you only see them on PC. You do not see them on your cell phone. There is no clickable links on your cell phone mobile. But the links are in the About section. Just scroll down in the About section and the 5 links are right there. So now we're going to move on. So what we're going to do today is the contest is going to be qualifying 3 people. First, second, and third will qualify to win the gift card. All the rest will be eliminated. There's not going to be luck involved in this, okay? And here's what we're going to do. I don't want a contest with luck, but at the same time, I want it to be clear what we're doing. So if you notice here, I have a folder called stickers, okay? Now when I open stickers, you'll see I have a photo here called Alpha Omega. This was a title I was thinking about for the one video I did, and of course I didn't choose the title. I forgot what I titled it, but nonetheless, basically, again, this is just me playing with concepts here, but what I want you to do is, if you don't, for one, I do have to explain that this is Windows 10. Anyone who doesn't have a PC, I still want you to have a chance to enter this contest, because without a PC, you're probably going to have a hard time making a sticker, okay? This is what the contest is. It's a sticker contest. The best sticker wins. I'm going to have you guys create a sticker, and if you don't know how to make a sticker, that's also what's really cool about this video, is I'm going to teach you how to make a sticker. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 thing, you know what I mean? You're going to learn something and have some fun in the process and have a chance to win something in the process. Really cool contest video. I like this one. I was kind of excited when I came up with this idea. So let's get into it. So let's say we have this plain image and we want to make something cool. It's not enough going on, whatever. You just want to send it to somebody, you want to put a heart on it, all right? So they got general stickers. So let's pretend we open this up, right click. So what you're going to do, people, is if you don't have a PC, go to Android or your Apple store and download a sticker app, and it should have a sticker creator app where you can probably make stickers. All right, so in the Windows Paint 3D, that's where you're gonna go. You're basically gonna go to here. See, I'm scrolling left to right, stickers, see that? And pretty much you're basically going to, first you have to canvas your photo, all right? And you have to turn this on, transparent canvas, all right? And then let's say, for instance, we want Omega. All right, matter of fact, let me go back one step. I don't want to get ahead of myself too much. So let's make it a little more fun. I'm going to close this a second and I'm not going to save it. I'm going slower so that way if you got to watch this video again, nobody's getting lost. But let's pick a photo more interesting. Let's pick this one. You'll see the difference. See, I put the 3 cats from the Christmas special I did. All right, if anyone saw that Christmas video, it's still up if you didn't. But basically, here's what's going to happen. You don't want to just open it. See how I clicked it and it opened up? This is not the app to do that if you're on PC. It's 3D Paint. So you're going to right click, go to 3D Paint, and it may or may not open. It depends. Let's see, 3D Paint. There we go. All right, so 3D Paint, here we go. We want a sticker, so it doesn't matter what photo you get from the internet, whatever photos you got on your computer or your phone. Again, if you don't have Windows, there's so many Android sticker apps. Make something cool, combine items, add cats with dogs or whatever. So your creativity is gonna give you the shot to win. Your creativity on the sticker, and then basically you'll send me the photo. The top three stickers will send me the photos, and your stickers are going to be featured in the winning video, and then we're going to have our community vote on your stickers. Simple as that. Best sticker wins. No luck involved here. Again, moving on. All right, so let's get to it. We'll speed it up a little bit. We're going to do canvas. Transparent canvas, okay? Now, say we want the kitties, all right? We want that sticker. We want to make a sticker out of them. So we're going to hit Magic Select. We're going to kind of hone in, focus on those kitties. Bam. Who doesn't like kitties, huh? Oh, this. You guys are going to be so excited today. All right, now that we got the kitties roughly in our sights, we're going to hit next. Boom. Now, you see the app kind of sort of got it. It kind of blocked out the rest and then left a little bit. So that's, that won't be a clean sticker. So we're going to zoom in with the plus sign. All right. And then we're going to hit the remove tool right here, eraser, because we're removing. And what you want to do is just simply left click, hold it, and draw a line, right, which you don't want, roughly. Bam. Look at that. Isn't that great? Now, if you notice, hold on, before we get too ahead of ourselves, some of this kitty's face is malformed. See that? So attention to detail is going to matter in this contest. If you send me a defective sticker, you're going to lose points. All right, so let's try to fix some of the kitty's face. We're hitting add now. All right, and then we're going to left click. We're going to try to round out his face. All right, now that's too much. You see, it's not a perfect system. You kind of got to stick with it a bit. Oh, now that's just it's like, make up your mind. You want it worse or you want it better, right? Okay, let me zoom in. Usually if you zoom in more like that, see how wide that pixelation is? It usually you can get what you need. All right, so we're going to try to do a smaller brush stroke here like that. Watch this. Okay, that's a lot cleaner, right? It's a lot cleaner. We got to look. We can see the problem area now. Oh, now that I didn't do that. That's software. That's not me. Okay. They're giving me so much more than I need. But hold on. We're just going to go a little further for now. All right, so now we'll try the remove tool. We'll try to box that out and we'll work our way in. I mean, this thing is a little sketchy. All right, listen, it's not easy when you're gonna get to, oh, that was me. That one was my fault. When you're gonna get to, oh God. Now listen, if this was easy, it wouldn't be fun. I'm just like literally, maybe I'll just tap the left click. There we go. All right. So again, look, you can play with it, and you can get better at it. Now, you can just kind of click away sometimes, like 2 or 3 clicks. Now, I'm just being neurotic here, okay? You don't just say if it's not completely perfect, it does help you, though, because it's a contest, so I have to make it a little of a higher standard. So let's assume that, let's back out. That looks good, right? Look, That's good. All right, now let's move in and just check for some more imperfections on the other cats. All right, that's a little fur. We might be able to live with that. Is it? We'll do a little bit here. That's good. Okay? And look, this is really kind of fun, man. Like, seriously. All right, so like right here, if you want to see in between and create a transparent section, oh no. Oh no. That's not right. Okay, hold on. Let's try it this way. Okay, look at there we go. Oh, pfft, no, stop, really. You're this is just this is they're so aggressive, like wow. Okay, obviously I might be getting greedy. See, the software gets confused. Let me tap it. You know, okay, I give up. We're gonna have to leave that little gap. We can't. The software doesn't recognize what's happening is it doesn't recognize the white fur in this section from this fur, and then it'll just assume you want the whole thing out. All right, but that's how it works. So like, see some buildings back here. Let's take that out. See, that was clean, that was easy. So we'll probably have little problems in these areas, but let's see if we try not to hit the fur. There we go. All right, that's a little better. All right, so you kind of see we can get under the paw here and be a little neurotic. All right, and like we could round this out. You see the back of the cat. All right, so you can round out the bottom here a little bit. Oh. Now I'm just going too far. Stop it. I'm getting greedy. I'm getting greedy. It's easy to get greedy. Alright. So, now that we've done the work, you see we have autofill background. Alright, that's just going to place mark the image. But anyway, just leave that checked, okay? Autofill background, then just hit done. Now it'll process it. Now watch this. You left click on the kitties. Voila, look, that's where they were. Let me drop the sticker here. You see the smeared paint? Look, that's the blurred kitties were there. Isn't that cool? Now watch this. Hold on. If you've not seen enough just yet, and you can drop them back if you want, if you find the right position, roughly, see? But that's not fun, is it? Watch this. This is fun. Yes. Yes, this is fun, isn't it? Watch. Here we go. Yeah, you can pretty much, that's why it's a sticker, because a sticker, you normally could do this, flip stickers and rotate stickers, right? So say you turn a sticker here, like that. Wait, where is it? If you turn a sticker, oops, wow. All right, wait, you turn a sticker like, say like this, and say you were going to put the sticker here, all right, you can just press it. But while you're highlighted, by the way, to complete the process, a usable sticker, hit this button here. While this is highlighted, hit make sticker, and then basically once you hit make sticker, hit the check mark. Boom. Now look, your sticker is now here. So this sticker is a part of this project, okay? And now you could just click that sticker and look. Now you can stamp stickers. Boom, 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 boom. Oops, hold on, I got carried away. All right, and then you can rotate them, whatever. You get the gist. All right. It's no end in sight. The fun just keeps on giving. It's the gift that keeps on giving. All right, that is it. So you basically, your sticker can be on any background, okay? Any background, it doesn't matter. I don't care what this is. This is just called the canvas, all right? I can pull your sticker off of any canvas. That's what this video is about, teaching you how to pull things off of a canvas and then play with them. So good luck. If you have any questions, oh, by the way, if you want to save your project, in case you get frustrated, just hit menu. This is for Windows 10. Hit save as, and you're gonna have to save it as a 3D paint project, because if you don't save it as a 3D paint project, So we're gonna type in Kitty Plus. If you don't save it as a project, you can't come back and work on it later. If you save it as an image, right? So say you do save it as a video or an image, that's it. It's locked in. You can no longer adjust or manipulate that project. So that's it. Week 2, we're gonna change the date since I'm a day late. So we're doing this Tuesday start. Contest ends next Tuesday. Good luck. Any questions? Hit me up on Twitter. Yada yada yada. Join. Message me. Blah blah blah. PSN. The whole thing. That is a wrap, guys. Good luck.